Well, our wedding is just around the corner, and I've been thinking about our future together.
Me too, Wick. It's an exciting time.
Definitely. I want Hey, Linda, can we talk for a moment?
Of course, Wick. What's on your mind?
Well, you know our wedding is just around the corner, and I've been thinking about our future together.
Me too, Wick. It's an exciting time.
Definitely. I want you to know how much you mean to me. I can't imagine my life without you in it.
That's so sweet, Wick. You mean the world to me too.
I know we've talked about a lot of things, but I want to make sure we're on the same page about our goals and expectations. How do you see our life together after we're married?
That's an important conversation to have. I see us building a life filled with love, respect, and support for each other. I want us to grow together, face challenges as a team, and create a home where we both feel comfortable and happy.
I couldn't agree more. And what about our careers and personal aspirations? How do you envision balancing those with our life as a couple?
I believe in chasing our individual dreams while also nurturing our relationship. We should be each other's biggest cheerleaders, helping one another achieve our goals while maintaining a strong connection.
That's exactly what I hoped you'd say. And family, do you see us having children someday?
I definitely want to be a mother, but I also want us to be ready and have a solid foundation before we start a family. What are your thoughts?
I'm on the same page. I want to provide a stable and loving environment for our children whenever we decide to have them.
It's reassuring to know we're aligned on these important topics. Communication is going to be key in our marriage.
Absolutely. I'm committed to always being open and honest with you, even when it's not easy. And I promise to cherish and support you every step of the way.
And I promise to do the same for you, Wick. I can't wait to start this incredible journey as husband and wife.
Me neither, Linda. I'm so grateful to have you by my side. We're going to have an amazing life together.
Yes, we will, Wick. And it all starts with our beautiful wedding day.
Hey, Linda, can we talk for a moment?
Of course, Wick. What's on your mind?
Well, you know our wedding is